So I'm going to show you how to use the camera timer on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Now this is very simple. Simply go to the camera app, and in the camera app, you want to go to the settings. So tap on this little 4-dot button, and then you should see the timer icon. Tap on it, and then you can choose whether you want a 2-second timer or a 5-second timer or 10-second timer. So let's try with a 5-minute timer. And once you select that, now when you take a photo, let's try and take a selfie here. If you press on the shutter button, it should count 5 seconds. So let's have a look at that. And keep in mind that you can adjust the timer from the front and the rear camera separately, as I've just noticed. So there you go. So that's how to use the camera timer on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Thanks for watching and good luck.